Finally! I'm so excited for my trip to New York. Let me check my flight information. Flight UA 245 to New York, Gate 12. Okay, first I need to find the check-in counter. Where is it? There it is, the United Airlines check-in area. I should go there now.
Good morning. Welcome to United Airlines. May I see your passport and ticket, please?
Of course. Here you go. This is my first time flying to New York.
How wonderful. Let me check you in. You're on flight UA 245 to New York, correct?
Yes, that's right. The flight leaves at 10:30 a.m., doesn't it?
That's correct. Boarding begins at 10 a.m. Are you checking any bags today?
Yes, just this one suitcase. Is it okay if it's a little heavy?
No problem. Please place it on the scale here and we'll check the weight.
Okay, here it goes. I hope it's not over the limit.
Perfect. It's 22 kilograms. That's just fine. The limit is 23 kilograms.
Oh, that's a relief. I was worried I packed too much.
You're all good. Let me just attach this baggage tag, and your suitcase will go directly to New York.
Great. Will I pick it up at baggage claim when I arrive?
Exactly. After you land, follow the baggage claim signs and look for carousel number 5.
Carousel 5. Got it. Thank you so much for your help.
You're very welcome. Here's your boarding pass. You're in seat 14A, a window seat.
A window seat. Perfect. I love watching the clouds. What gate do I go to?
Your gate is 12. Go through security, then turn left and walk straight. You'll see it.
Through security, turn left and straight ahead. Got it. How much time do I have?
You have plenty of time. It's 9:15 now, and boarding starts at 10. That's 45 minutes.
Okay, that's good. Should I go through security now or do I have time to grab coffee?
You have time for a quick coffee. Just don't take too long. Security can be busy.
Perfect. Thank you so much for all your help. You've been wonderful.
My pleasure. Have a wonderful flight to New York. Enjoy your trip.
Thank you. I will. Goodbye. Okay, security checkpoint. I need to be ready. What do I need to take out? Let me see. I need to take out my laptop, liquids, and remove my jacket. Okay, laptop in one bin, liquids in another, and jacket off. Do I need to remove my shoes?
Yes, please remove your shoes and place them in a bin. Also, empty your pockets.
Of course, I'll do that right now. Should my phone go in the bin too?
Yes, please. Phone, wallet, keys, everything metal goes in the bin.
Okay, everything is in the bins now. What do I do next?
Now push your bins onto the conveyor belt and walk through the metal detector when I signal you.
Like this? Okay, I'm pushing them through now.
Wait just one moment, please. Okay, now you can walk through. Arms at your sides.
Okay, here I go. I hope I don't set it off. Perfect, no alarm. You're all clear. You can collect your belongings over there. Thank you. That wasn't as scary as I thought it would be. Now let me put everything back together. Shoes on, jacket on. Perfect. Everything is back in my bag. Now, where's the coffee shop? Oh, good. There's a coffee shop. I have time for a quick drink before boarding.
Good morning. Welcome. What can I get for you today?
Let me see. What do you recommend? I need something to wake me up.
Our cappuccino is really popular. Or if you want something stronger, try an Americano.
A cappuccino sounds perfect. I'll have a medium cappuccino, please.
Great choice. Would you like anything to eat? We have fresh croissants and muffins.
Oh, those croissants look delicious. I'll take one chocolate croissant, please.
Perfect. One medium cappuccino and one chocolate croissant. That'll be $8.50, please.
Here's my card. Do you need to see my boarding pass for the receipt?
No, that's not necessary. Your card is processing now. Just one moment. All set? Here's your card. Your cappuccino will be ready in just a few minutes.
Thank you. I'll wait over here. How long does it usually take?
About 3 to 4 minutes. Not long at all.
That's great. I still have plenty of time before my flight boards.
Here you go. One medium cappuccino and one chocolate croissant. Enjoy.
Wow, this looks amazing. The foam art is beautiful. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Have a safe flight.
Thank you. I will. Okay, I need to find gate 12. The signs say gates 10 through 15 are this way. This cappuccino is delicious. I'm glad I had time to get it. Let me check my boarding pass again. Gate 12, boarding at 10 a.m. It's 9:35 now. I should get to the gate soon. I don't want to be late. There's gate 10, so gate 12 should be just a little further ahead. Perfect, here it is, gate 12, and I still have 20 minutes before boarding starts. I'll just relax here and finish my coffee. This croissant is really good. Let me text Mom that I'm at the gate and everything is going well. Mom will be so relieved. She was worried about my first time flying alone. I can't believe I'm actually about to fly to New York. This is so exciting. Look at all those people working on the plane. They're loading the luggage. That's probably my suitcase. Ladies and gentlemen, we will begin boarding for flight UA 245 to New York in approximately 10 minutes. Oh, boarding in 10 minutes. I should get ready and stay close to the gate. Seat 14A, Zone 2. I wonder when they'll call my zone. We will now begin boarding flight UA 245 to New York. First, we invite passengers needing assistance and families with small children. Okay, they're boarding families first. I'll wait for my zone to be called. We are now boarding Zone 1, our premium passengers. Zone 2 will board next. Zone 2 is next. That's me. I'm so excited. This is really happening. We are now boarding Zone 2. Passengers in Zone 2 may now board. That's my zone. Here I go. Time to board my first flight. Here's my boarding pass. This is my first time flying alone. How wonderful. Welcome aboard. You're in seat 14A. Have a great flight. Thank you so much. I'm so excited. Have a great day. This is it. I'm actually boarding the plane. New York, here I come.